Investec is an investment banking and wealth management specialist. It was founded in 1974 in South Africa. It's grown into a sizable international business over the last 40 plus years.
We always think of ourselves as a relationship bank, not a transactional bank. Best practice for us is developing strong, enduring relationships.
The engagement blind spot to the business is really about them not understanding who in the organization, or rather who else in the organization is either contacting a client or is contacting a lead or prospect.
Trying to distill that information and understand that client relationship, it can be either impossible or a full-time job in of itself. We turn to Microsoft Viva Insights to start to solve some of those challenges and better distill that data to help us make better decisions.
As Chief AI Officer, I wanted to understand what advanced analytics we can bring into making people's lives easier and improving the overall quality of our data. The path was set for us with Viva Insights. We quickly widened it into our fund finance business and then into our corporate finance business.
It was sitting within our tenant, so it allowed us to harvest insights that were already existing in our Office 365. It was a seamless interaction and integration.
It's very much a GDPR compliant solution. Your data is secure in the cloud, and it gives you the ability to obfuscate the level of information that you need to cross-share within the organization or externally.
Certainly seeing some really exciting outcomes. The team hit the desk on Monday morning and a lot of the heavy lifting has been done for them. The data has been sifted through. They can focus their time on reaching out, building relationships, spending time with clients.
Microsoft Viva Insights. And the driver for it really allows us to reduce that distance to value. How quickly we can drive those insights and have the right conversation with the right person at Investec. It's there to make our lives better